Next on the list is the socket. So we've got this special conductive foam, and we've got the socket. So pull out the socket, and we'll note it's got a notch. Do you see it at the top? So if we have a look here, we go, where does it go? There's a dot which indicates where the front is. So we put the notch at the side of the dot. So this one, there's a few pins to line up, but it goes in like that. So what we can do is we can use tape. So we can use tape to hold this down. Alternatively, you can balance it. So now we've got some tape. And we go through and we solder all of those. So just like the other ones, they can't touch, because otherwise that would create a circuit in itself. And all of the circuit is inside the bird. So our soldering spots can't touch. Do you see how they're all individual little dots, little balls? And then we can take our tape off, and it's nice and flat. It doesn't matter if it's completely not flat, but it just matters if we made a good connection there. And that notch tells us which direction we're going to put our chip later.